This set is crafted with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring a smooth, clean-cut look for your manicure and pedicure. It comes in the perfect size case that can be taken with you on the go or to be used for daily home use. The set includes beauty scissors, nail clipper, nail file, and tweezers, nail tip groomer, cuticle pusher, and carry case. Features: stainless steel manicure, pedicure set 8-piece steel travel companion, comes with the travel case. Men and women both can use. Compact design makes an ideal gift. Note: design may vary.